So over the past few weeks, you've been hearing us say that our lab at Cincinnati Children's Hospital has been meeting in the surgical metaverse. Why do we meet in the metaverse? The feeling of meeting in a metaverse workroom feels so much better than when you're watching each other on a 2D Zoom meeting. You actually feel like you're in the room together with each other.
Metaverse is a space similar to the internet, which people will be able to engage with different types of media like virtual reality, augmented reality, and much more.
So Metaverse is not a specific technology or a specific space. Metaverse is a concept, a new concept of internet, of communication and the information delivery.
Internet is something you can browse, but Metaverse is somewhere you can live in under special circumstances. Metaverse is highly interactive, three-dimensional world that you can have different experiences with your own created avatar.
Imagine that you go into a world where you can fly and you can build new tools.
In Metaverse, you can meet with new people around the world. You can get together with your real-life friends. You can meet with your colleagues. You can have meetings in the Metaverse.
Is the metaverse just a passing trend, or is this a disruptive technology of the future? We don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But I can tell you that we love to explore all new developing technologies because you never know which one will be disruptive.
So Metaverse will be something that is very crucial in our world, and it will give us new abilities that we don't normally have in the real life.
A late 2021 survey of global internet users found that the biggest advantage of Metaverse is overcoming the obstacles that prevent us to do something in our real life. And following that, the second advantage is enhancing creativity and imagination.
There are incredible potential opportunities with the metaverse. The ability to be in an environment that you create has endless possibilities. You gotta wonder why Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, and many others are putting a lot of eggs in this basket. Think about the potential opportunities for surgical simulation, surgical planning. Imagine creating an environment of an operating room and going into that operating room and really feeling like you're there. So I don't know if this is just a passing trend or is this really a future disruptive technology? But I can tell you that we're going to keep meeting in the metaverse and explore all the different opportunities that virtual reality can offer.
Download the Stay Current app, follow us on social media, and subscribe on YouTube channel. And remember, knowledge should be free.